For the first scenario, you would pick up a Gain liquid detergent at $3.95, a Gain softener at $3.95, 2 of the Febreze Air Effect twin packs at $5, 1 Febreze Air Effect at $3, 3 of the Gain dish liquids at $2, and 1 Gain flings at $3.95. Your total should come to $30.85. You will use the 5 off of 30 Gain Digital, the 5 off of 25 Saturday Digital, 2 off of 1 Gain, 2 off of 1 Gain Softener, $2 off of $12 for Breeze, $3 off of 2 Febreze products, $2 off of 2 Gain dish liquids, and you will use 1 paper coupon for the flings, which will be a $2 off of 1. That will bring your total down to $7.85 plus tax. For the next scenario, you will pick up 2 Gain laundry detergents at $3.95, 1 Gain softener, the 41 ounce at $3.95, 1 Gain flings at $3.95, 1 Gain dryer sheets, the 105 count at $3.95, 1 Gain washing powder at $3.95, 1 Gain fireworks, the 5.7 ounce at $3.95, and 1 Gain softener, the 64 ounce at $3. That will bring your total to $30.65. Then you will use the 5 off of 30 Gain Digital, 5 off of 25 Saturday Digital, $2 off of 1 Gain Digital, $2 off of 1 Gain Softener Digital. Then you will use 6 paper coupons. You will use a $2 off of 1 for the second Gain liquid, a $2 off of 1 for the Gain flings, a $2 off of 1 for the dryer sheets, $2 off of 1 for the Gain washing powder, $2 off of 1 for the Gain fireworks, and a $2 off of 1 for the second Gain fabric softener. That will bring your total down to $4.65 plus tax. For the last scenario, you will pick up 2 of the Gain dishwashing liquids at $3 each, 1 Febreze Air Effects at $3, 1 Febreze Wax Melts at $3, 1 Gain liquid detergent at $3.95, 1 Gain flings at $3.95, 1 Gain dryer sheets, the 105 count at $3.95, 1 Gain washing powder at $3.95, and 1 Gain fabric softener at $3.95. That will bring your total to $31.75. You will use the 5 off of 30 Gain Digital, 5 off of 25 Saturday Digital, $2 off of 2 Gain dish liquids, $3 off of 2 Febreze products, $2 off of 1 Gain liquid, $2 off of 1 Gain softener. Then you will use 3 paper coupons, $2 off of 1 for the Gain flings, $2 off of 1 for the Gain dryer sheets, and $2 off of 1 for the Gain washing powder. That will bring your total down to $6.75 plus tax. Screenshot whatever deal you feel is best for your budget and tag me in all of your couponing hauls on Instagram at all.things.key.